You should be able to see.
Yeah, there is Tokyo Tower.
The red color wala.
Yeah, the.
That car is going. One road is kind of big. That building. That is a house they are modifying.
東大島の駅から見えなくてちょっとさパパなんで変わってるの？
何が
変わってるよ。
あれだよ、お隣さ、来てさ、ちょっと取ろうとしてたからさ、パパはさ、取らなきゃじゃないから、ちょっとできました。
Here. This goes 10 kilometers. That is the girlfriend you saw. Correct. My house I put solar. They give discount subsidy for putting solar.
Actually, they should encourage that.
Now they
あ、そうそう、前あれそうか。行ったそこ、行った。
37 minutes. It is much less, 33.
30.
Mumbai is 22. You know, Bangalore, 14. Chennai is 12. Chennai is 12.
Basic.
What is this place?
Minato Mira.
Minoto Mirai.
So this one is on the way to
If it's cloudy, some of high-rise buildings.
See, for parking cars and all, they will provide apartments space.
That bay area. One side you will see water. You are taking from that area. The big side is also.
But big set building should be visible, right?
No, it is all because of these buildings.
That's a Y-shaped building. We will take one photo.
So, take.